Treasure Coast reporter Jack Wu here in Fort Pierce 1 year after tornadoes ripped through this area, those produced by Hurricane Milton. Taking a look at the progress since then, you can see a lot of these metal roofs, not uncommon for this area because a lot of homes were hit by hurricanes, but just the amount of them is astonishing. You look across the lake, you can see at least half, if not more, of these homes have new roofs. Some of them had to be completely redone. I'm about to speak with one resident in this area about her experience and how she's dealing with it 1 year later. So follow and subscribe to CBS 12 to hear that interview and all of the new developments with this story.